love you, bitch. You are so lovely, and you are so cranky.
Cranky?
She's always a bitch.
She's not cranky. She's depressed and lonely. Lucky.
Come on, Lucky. Lucky. Bitch, get over here.
She said fuck food. She wants love.
Love you.
Go, mama.
Love you.
Go, mama. Go.
Come on, mama.
She said fuck that. You know what? Give her a plate in the front.
Okay.
All right, though. The aftermath of tequila. One of the best nights ever. Folks, spend time with your parents. Tell them you love and appreciate them. That's it.